It is not only officially tax return season, it's All-Star in the NBA, and that means for the sneaker community, we got everything that we've been waiting for dropping. And we talking about a lot of sneakers, but we ain't talking about this sneaker right here, the Kobe 9 Masterpiece. This thing fire. Why ain't nobody talking about it? Let's talk about it. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're going to be talking about a sneaker that I feel like that will actually sit, and it's a Kobe, man. And I feel good saying that. I feel good saying that a Kobe is going to sit. But before we get up into this discussion, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Head over to IG, follow your boy at KICKnology on IG. Hit that like button, turn on the notification bell, do all those great things, and that will help with the algorithm and get more viewers to the channel to check out the content. If this is your first time checking it out, scroll through some of the videos. If this ain't a video that you're interested in, I'm pretty sure I have something uploaded that you guys will be interested in and that you guys would like. Now, with all that out of the way, let's talk about this sneaker. So the Kobe 9 Elite Masterpiece, the high top joint, the boxing joints. A lot of people do not like this silhouette. This is a Kobe silhouette that you guys just don't mess with, and rightfully so. You know, I get it. When you think about a basketball shoe performance-wise, nowadays you like the low cut, low profile type things. These high top, old school looking boxer sneakers, a lot of people don't mess with that when it comes to performance on the court. And then off of the court, a lot of people say it's very hard to style this sneaker. So I do get it. But this pair right here was actually a pair that Kobe Bryant himself did wear. Yes, he wore these. 2014, I remember when these dropped. It was around when the LeBron 11s dropped. He dropped these, and I was like, man, I really like this colorway. The multi-colorway up on the flat upper, the red marks to represent the Achilles stitches on the back end, and it's just that multicolor kind of chameleon tongue and the Mamba logo on the tongue, white outsole. I feel like this sneaker aesthetically is pleasing to look at, but this sneaker will sit. $240 is going to be the retail for these things. They drop also on the same day as the Jordan 5 Black Metallic Reimagines. And I feel like people are going to pick and choose. So I do think this sneaker will sit and will be available. Grade school sizes definitely won't sell out. It will not sit on the sneakers app. Let me clarify that. It will not sit on the sneakers app. But it will sit in stores and locations. And if you go somewhere, and I think the resale will drop drastically on it, just because, again, not many people mess with the Kobe 9 silhouette, especially this model right here. The lows they mess with, but this high model is just very hard for people to feel like to style them and stuff like that. Now, this sneaker is a part of the Year of the Mamba pack. As you guys can see on the screen, we had the eggplant colorway that was US exclusive for the Nike Kobe 5s, and then we had the crimson red colorway that was for China exclusive, which both pairs of those are dope in my opinion. A lot of people didn't rock with those either. Now we have this Kobe 9 Elite in the Masterpiece, back at us again since 2014. Then of course, in and off the month, next Thursday, February 13th, we have the highly anticipated All-Star Kobe 6 all white joints. Now those things are going to be a problem. But even right now, when we look at this Masterpiece, when we think about the pre-sale of them, they're sitting around like $340, but they're not really selling for that. You know what I'm saying? Like a lot of people just ain't buying them. They're close to retail, like $270, $275. Again, I just feel like it's going to be one of those sneakers. I'm not hearing much talk about it. Not many people are saying like, oh, this is on that must cop list. This is on that must cop list and stuff like that. So I do think we're going to have another Kobe that's going to be sitting and available. You know what? I'm going to stop saying sitting. It's not going to sit, but we're going to finally have some more Kobes that's going to be available. If you walk into a store, you're going to be able to cop this thing depending on where you're at and depending on the availability as far as like quantity and stock numbers that the stores receive. Now, if this is going to be a limited release, that might change things. But for the most part, I don't think this thing is going to be too super limited, but I ain't saying it's going to be like a whole bunch of GR numbers and stuff like that when it comes to the sneaker. But I do think it would definitely be available and affordable on the aftermarket after the shoe drop. But y'all let me know in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions about this sneaker? Will you be going after this sneaker? Or are you going to pick and choose, man? That pockets and stuff like that. I know we got tax returns, but hey, we got so many other sneakers that's going to be dropping as well this coming up week and this month in February. So, hey, pick your poison, man. Don't go in debt trying to buy these shoes. I'll tell you that much, man. But that's all I got for y'all today. I appreciate you guys tapping in. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like and I was hype. And remember, everything we talk about is just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the roof for OGs in the youth.